Maybe. As you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
Oh, come on! You're not talking about him, are you?
Oh, no, not him. Are you? Hey, who are they talking about?
I have no idea, but he sounds important, so it definitely can't be you.
You're not my son. In the same town, trying to find something new. Broken picture frame, I've been frozen in, trying to find a better view. This ain't me, this ain't cool, this ain't what I signed up to.
Her name is Lola, she was a showgirl, but that was 30 years ago, when they used to have a show. Now it's the disco, but not for Lola, still in the dress she used to wear.
Hold, Toothless.
Hiccup! Hiccup! Son! Hiccup. Oh, son. I did this. I'm so sorry. Hiccup! He's alive! You brought him back alive! Thank you for saving my son.
Well, you know, most of them.